Okay, okay. Good afternoon once again.
Afternoon, boss.
My name is Supervisor Desmond Opoku Jr.
Oh,
I'm speaking from which is Tema Branch, MTN office. MTN, we wish you Happy New Year, sir.
thank you, sir.
Sir, MTN, every 4 years, we do anniversary to all our loyal customers.
Hello, it was here from Mama Philabi, and this will help all of us, especially MTN users. Now, MTN frustration was a new tricky biaba, and if you are not smart enough, as a Juma Bezu, so I will be fro to entice you. They win a package B. I mean, usual vibe now. But this time around, what they do is that they will ask you to go on your phone if you have a calculator. Na 2026 plus your last 4 numbers plus PIN code. Now, when you do all these things, they ask you for the total figure. Now, when you get the total figure, they will tell you to give them the total figure. In this sense, about 2026 what's the last 4 numbers because you already know that's why they called you. Then after that, you are left with your PIN number. And guess what? They have clear access. Because by then, in a way, initiate a code with you. If you are not lucky, every amount of money you have in your account will be gone. And I really hunted them. You know me. But one disappointment about MTN, and they are not telling us the truth, is immediately you have money in your account, that is when these fraudsters will start these things. And so who is giving them that information? And who is giving them this first-hand access? They need to really explain this to us because, Charlie, it is not cool at all. Even in Hana, if you the IT inclined, sometimes we are at the edge of being fraud. Inti, Inima, obi catch her there, but 2026 now will last 4 numbers. Not for pin can win up bonoma na mana. Or ye re. Listen, or ye re. Hello, boss.
Huh?
Yes, sir. We can talk now.
Yeah. Okay. Good afternoon once again.
Afternoon, boss.
My name is Supervisor Desmond Opoku Jr.
Oh.
I'm speaking from which is Tema Branch, MTN office. MTN, we wish you Happy New Year, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, MTN, every 4 years, we do anniversary to all our loyal customers. This anniversary...
I'm not a lawyer, boss.
Hello?
Hello. Please, I'm not a lawyer.
I'm not talking about you as a lawyer. I guess I'll let you that you are a lawyer customer.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So since you started using MTN service, may I notice some of the challenges sometimes you are facing around MTN, our services?
Oh, I'm only facing challenges with these fraudsters who will call you and pretend that they work in Osu branch and those kind of things. And then sometimes they take your money away and all those. These are the only challenges that I'm facing with MTN. Aside from that,
anytime MTN also, we send notification to our customer through your SMS, your via inbox, concerning a scamming issue. That when you are there and then you receive call concerning or claiming that you are calling from MTN, demanding your mobile money call or demanding you to do any process, you're supposed to tell the person number to MTN, our short code, which is 1515. 1515, or you can call on the 100 and then you can report the person number so that MTN, we can be able to track them and get them arrested. Okay.
All right. Well noted, sir.
Okay. So you located at where?
Oh, I'm at Ewutu Singer.
Ewutu Singer?
Yes.
Okay. So every 4 years, we have a number of customers that we rewarded them. Okay. We do a promotion to them. So as for this lucky number, the 0243, for how many years have you been using this number?
Oh, it's been more than Probably 10 or 15 years. Yeah, it's been very long.
10 or 15 years.
Yeah.
Okay, because this year promotion that you are doing, your name has been noticed.
Oh.
I mean, your name has been mentioned, MTN, we have been able to reward you.
Oh, I'm grateful,
because
sir.
anytime it is your birthday, MTN, if you can notice, we wish you happy birthday.
Yes, you do all the time.
MTN, we elect you or we give you extra credit.
Yes.
For a bonus of data.
Yes.
As a reward.
Yes.
For your birthday gift.
Thank you so much for
so
doing
this
that.
year, MTN, we rewarded you a smart TV, which is 32 inches.
32 inches?
Yes, please. And then a credit. Because normally you do the mashup. So we rewarded you a mashup of which is 100 Ghana. It's combined data and then mashup.
Wow.
And then a cash price also added.
Wow. That's interesting.
So congratulations.
Thank you, MTN. God bless MTN.
So the place that you are located, are you closer to one of our branches?
Well, we have to travel to Kaswa before I can find an MTN office there.
Because we have many customers that we have been rewarded them at Kaswa branch, okay? And all our winning customers also, we have a registration that we did. When we're done with the registration, MTN will give you a registration number and the winning numbers, okay?
Oh, okay.
Because when you visit to the branch, you're supposed to come with your Ghana card.
Oh, okay.
Your Ghana card.
Okay.
You're supposed to come with your Ghana card.
Okay.
And then the registration numbers and the Ghana card. Okay. So that MTN, we can be able to present all the items to you. Okay.
Okay.
It is a free promo that we are doing. You don't pay any amount or any bills before you receive the item. It is a free promo that we are doing. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have pen and paper, take pen and paper so that you can be able to notice everything down for security purposes. Okay.
All right. Please mention.
Please, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, so the item that you want, the first item is Smart TV, 32 inches.
Smart TV, 32 inches.
The brand is Samsung brand.
Samsung, wow.
Yes, please.
Wow, that's impressive.
And the number 2 is broadband.
Broadband, okay.
MTN, do you know broadband?
Yes, I know MTN broadband.
I mean MTN Wi-Fi.
Yes, I know. The table net, right?
Yes, please.
Yes, I know.
Okay, and then the third one is cash price. Okay. As for the cash price, when we are done with everything, we will generate, okay? So that you know the amount that you receive, okay? Because this is your first time that you are sponsored. Okay. So the number 3, write cash price there, cash price.
Please, I've written cash price.
And the number 4 is a T-shirt, MTN T-shirt.
Okay, T-shirts.
As for the T-shirt, we have medium, large, and then extra large. Medium, large, and then extra large. So which one do you prefer?
I wear 3X.
SS.
3X or 4X.
Okay.
Extra large.
Okay, so when you write the T-shirt and you write the large there, the one that you prefer there.
All right, I will, sir.
We just wanted to verify everything here, okay?
Okay.
Because me purposely, I'm coming from Achimota.
Okay.
So when we are done, when we are doing the registration, you're supposed to direct us the office that we're supposed to do is to do the registration.
Okay.
Because when we are done with the registration, you're supposed to go with the details, which is the registration numbers and the winning numbers, okay? So that we can be able to present everything to you. Okay.
Okay, boss.
So I have sent you the registration number. The registration number is from MTN Momo app. Please, have you received any notification from MTN Momo?
I've seen a message, so let me check it out.
Momo app. Momo app. When you open it, we have 6 numbers there.
Yes.
6 numbers. 6 registration numbers. So mention me the number. The registration numbers.
926221.
926221. That means you are registration number 21. The last 2 number was 20 what?
The last 2 number is 21.
Right.
Yeah, 21.
The last 2 number is what?
21.
It's 21. That means you are a number what?
21.
20 what?
21.
21. Okay. Okay, so MTN also, we have a little guideline that I will give it to you. Okay. Because sometimes when our customer is there, they have been receiving calls. That's when they are there, they have been receiving calls from the scammers. I've mistakenly sent mobile money to you and others. You too have been receiving that calls.
Yeah, occasionally. That was what I was telling you.
When you are there and then you receive a certain call, either the person is a scammer, what you're supposed to do is that try to report the person number to the short code. The short code is 1515. Press the person number to 1515. And also, we noticed that sometimes when our customers, you go to a mobile money vendors, making a deposit or cash out, you mention your number out of public. Maybe the agent will ask you the number that you are making the transaction on it. When you are mentioning the number, sometimes the person closer to the agent can put his phone to recording. When you are mentioning your number, the person can get your number. When you live there, the person can get your number and then try to scam you. So from your home to the mobile money agent, what you're supposed to do is that try to notice the number down. When you wait there, you can give the paper to the agent. When the agent is done with the transaction, the agent will mention will give you the number. Back.
Okay, boss.
Okay. So I'll ask you 2 questions for me to confirm that I'm speaking to Mr. Richmond. Okay. Before I'll give you the winning numbers. Okay. So the first question that I'll ask, which year did you buy this SIM? The 0243 748 407.
This one, keep like I told you 10 or 15 years back.
10 or 15 years back.
Yeah, it should be
the second question, yes, to the date of birth is what? Your date of birth?
My date of birth?
Yes, please.
14th August. 1957.
1950 what?
7.
Okay. So it left only last question. When you get the answers correct, you receive the winning numbers. Okay. The winning numbers, you receive message from MTN Momo, which contains 4 numbers. The 4 numbers is winning numbers. Okay. So the last question that I will ask, when you buy the MTN SIM, I hope the SIM was on yellow pack.
Yes.
A yellow pack. The yellow pack that you remove the SIM from it, we have some numbers indicated on the SIM pack, which is POC numbers, PUK numbers. Do you remember your PUK numbers?
Well, when I bought my own, it was in a chancing. It was in Conco case. By then, there wasn't any yellow case.
It has been a long period of time, right? Because all our customers have their POC numbers. Yes. Okay. So what we will do is that we will generate the POC numbers to you. Because if you have the POC numbers, you use the POC numbers to confirm it here. Okay. When you confirm it here, the money that you are funding, you receive the money through your mobile money. Okay. Because for now, you don't have the POC numbers. So unless we generate the POC numbers for you, when you generate it, the answer that you got, we use that answer to confirm it here so that you can have the winning numbers. Okay. So write winning numbers there. Winning numbers. Winning numbers. Winning numbers. Yes, please. Winning numbers.
All right.
Do you have a calculator on your phone?
Calculator?
Yes, please. A calculator.
Of course, I should have a calculator on my phone.
Okay, then open to your calculator. Okay, open. As for calculator, you are aware that you cannot use the calculator to perform a transaction. As for calculator, we use calculator to solve answers, right? So if you are opening the calculator, we are in 2026, right?
Yeah.
So you dial 2026, which is 2026. Then plus, I hope you know plus.
Yes, I know plus.
Then plus your last 4 numbers, your MTN, your last 4 numbers. I hope you know your last 4 numbers.
Yes.
84 hot, 0 hot 7, right?
Yes.
Then plus your mobile money pin. Your mobile money pin is your secret. Okay. So as for your pin, do not mention your pin code to this is your secret. Are you okay? So this call is under recording also. So mention it there and then press equal to there. Okay. When you press the equal to, you get the final answer. So have you got the final answer?
So you said
it is 2026 plus your last 4 numbers, which is 8407. Then plus your mobile money code, then press equal to the final answer that you get. We'll use that final answer to confirm it here so that you can receive your winning numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So have you got the final answer?
Yes, a minute.
2026 plus your last four numbers, which is 8407, right? Then plus your mobile money code. As for your code, this is your secret, so do not mention it to me. After that, press the code.
What four numbers?
2026, right? 2026, right?
Yeah.
Then plus your last four numbers. I hope your last four numbers is 8407.
Yeah, 8407.
Then plus your mobile money code. As for your code, this is your secret, so do not mention it on your. Or just enter it there and then press equal to. When you press the equal to, you receive the final answer. So have you got the final answer?
Yes, I've got a final answer.
So the final answer is what?
11,066.
11 hot.
667.
11667.
Yeah.
11 hot.
667.
Okay.
Yeah,
you said the answer is what? 11 hot.
667. What about
667.
Let's check with home code.
11667.
Yes, boss.
Okay, so when the answer is correct, you receive which is the winning numbers. Okay.
Okay.
The winning numbers are which is four numbers. Okay.
Okay.
If the answer is not correct and then I confirm it here, you receive a notification that the account has been suspended. So are you sure that the answer that you give to me is correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Because I don't want any situation whereby you do something and to affect the account. Are you okay? So that is the main reason why when you are doing the calculation, when it lets your code number, I just allow you to confirm yours there. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Because
yes,
when we are done with everything, the money that you are
sir,
you receive
sir,
the
it is
money
correct.
through the memo.
Sir, it's correct.
It's correct.
Yes.
So have you received a notification?
Yes.
Have you received the mobile money message?
Yes. It says your yellow.
Hello?
Yes. I've seen a message. Let me read it.
Read it and let me see.
Okay. So the message reads, "Yellow, your PIN code has been suspended due to failed attempt. Please try again."
Yes, that means when we are generating the POC number, the answer that you just do, the code number that you just enter, you enter a wrong code.
Okay.
So that is the main purpose you have got the message that the account has been suspended.
Boss, just a minute. Boss, just a minute. The message reads there, "I have made 2 attempts." That's why it's been suspended.
Because the calculation that you made, you just made me enter a wrong code. Because I just asked you that the calculation that you just did is good or not, it's correct or not. You said that you enter a correct code, right? So that is the main reason why I just enter the final answer there. Because we are generating it to you. We are generating everything to you. So if you give me a wrong answer, it will affect the account. So unless you do the calculation good, you do the calculation good so that we can generate it for you.
Boss,
you can get the account back.
Boss, calm down. Boss, calm down. So you asked me to do 2026.
Me pass 2026 to 2026. 2026. We are no mere plus. No mere plus now. No about last 4 numbers.
Martin.
About last 4 numbers. Not the mobile code number. But the entire code number they calculate the say. You person you verify who say no correct. You know one kasa na kasa.
Martin was say na kasa mama kasa bia.
Nti na blue code me say wa bo mobile money code number na share ho no. Be dia say me code ni pa foforo. Why?
Martin na kasa mama kasa bia.
Me pa che me tie.
Okay, am I me boy 2026, right? And I me boy my last 4 numbers. My last 4 numbers.
And our last 4 numbers. So last 4 numbers
say, yeah, in a mama boy my last 4 numbers, right?
We na me a class na bo mobile money pin.
Me mobile money pinning, right?
Me pass why.
Remember, listen to me.
Na me confirm what.
Na mama nkasa. Mama church am somewhere, papa. Into 2026 enwa. 2026 in etso film. Net so me last 4 numbers in film a. Se me pin ake ehu.
We just wanted to. I have already alert you that we just wanted to verify that we are talking to the right account holder. The person who say you know one kasa na kasa, you know Richmond na kasa. Ansa na me pa che you to confirm we
brother asama American ya bo telnet say mo so side. Say metase that pede wam enwa. But me pede ta say the men understanding. Wo mathematics no wo formula na pede mu. Emi fi professor Alote nu krom. Inti yenyi mathematics. Yenyi mathematics ye.
Mo ba mo ne so block bla office ni e fa ma we.
When I dey papa to block emi mobile. Abode ba like that. Kwasia.